Hi guys, so I've been watching that people have been asking the question on the online platform that which shuttle to buy. The most question which people asked was this Mavis 200i shuttle from Yonex and this Adronix S21 shuttle which is advertised as a professional shuttle from Flipkart, but I don't really think so. So my initial impressions are this is way more better shuttle than this, and this can be used in professional front when you're practicing or anything like that. You can also use in the tournaments, but this is about the price. The price is really high, so if you're okay with the price you can go with this, but if you're not okay with the price, please keep watching the video. I'll tell you the rest. So now these are the two new shuttles. This is the Adrenax shuttle S21 and this feels really cheap in the hands. The cork is not really good. It is very heavy, and heavy thing means that it can damage your racket first of all. Second of all, these wings, this plastic nylon thing, this is not really good. I mean, if you'll play very abruptly or you are just smashing it like anything, the shuttle will break really easily. In 2 to 3 games only it will break, and this is not really a good material, so I would not recommend it for the professional players or for the, you can say, for some senior level playing. But yeah, if you are intermediate play, if you are just a intermediate player, you can just go for it. If you're not smashing, if you're not good at playing badminton, if you're just dropping and playing like this only, tucking the shuttle, this is good for you. You can go for it seriously. But why will you just spend so much of money for a shuttle like this if you are recreating the sports? You can go for some cheaper brands also, because you won't damage that easily also. So if you are a professional player and you can afford many shuttle, you can go for it, but it will only last for 2 to 3 games. So this was my impression. Now coming to this Yonex shuttle, this feel really rich in the hands. Okay, so these material, this is very good. It won't come out, it won't break really easily, and a wing grip technology which helps the nylon shuttle to stable. So coming to the wing grip technology, these pores, these are really wide, and this material, this is very frisky. It will break really easily, so your shuttle will not be very stable because this will come out very easily. Coming to this, now this is really hard. It won't break easily, it will break but won't break very easily. And I've played from this Yonex shuttle. I've just destroyed many of the Yonex shuttle. I have a bunch of it, 50, I mean more than 50 I have, which are destroyed. And but still they are more stable than this good one. I mean, many of these are broken, these wing grip technology things, these are broken, but that shuttle is still really stable, and that plays really well. So I'll show you some shuttle which have been played. This is a Yonex shuttle and I've played it for 5 days, like very hardly. I am a smash player, I just smash it like anything. I hardly believe on drop and all. Yes, I do play drop shots, but I'm more of a smash player. So this is what I have made of it. You can see I've torn it apart, but it is still very stable. I can still play it from it very easily. The flight is very good. There is no problem, and I will still play from it on the court. And not to forget, I am a regular court player. I go to the court regularly to play from these shuttles. And now this is a Adrenax S21 shuttle. I've played from it from just one day. You can see these are coming out, and you can see these things, they did not broke after 5 days. And see, only in one day these got broken.